Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Margaret and we discuss all things luxury, fashion, beauty and lifestyle. Before we go ahead with this unboxing video, please subscribe to my channel. I'll give you a second to subscribe. Now let's get into this video. So today's video is an unboxing video of a few things I brought myself for my birthday, and literally it's a few things, it's not many things, but these are things that I really wanted, and I'm very happy that I can finally check these off my checklist. So yeah, let's get in checklist, wish list. But yeah, let's get into this video. So first up, we have this cute little thing here from Chanel. So if you had watched my previous videos, I have visited Harrods many a times and I was after a mini. This is not my first Chanel bag. I had one previously in the past which I got rid of, but yeah, so yeah, you would have seen in my videos that I was visiting Harrods quite frequently, and I was after a Chanel mini. So originally on my wish list, if you've watched my wish list video, you can go back and watch it, I said I wanted the Chanel Coco handle. So I did go, I tried it out, but the large bag was very big, and that was the original size I wanted, but I didn't realize how big it was. So yeah, I was kind of put off it. I wasn't, well, when I say kind of, it's still on my wish list, it's still a bag I want to get, but it wasn't imperative that I get it straight away. And another thing why I put a pause on getting the Coco Chanel handle was because the handle of the bag was brown, and I preferably wanted one with a black handle. I just think it looks a lot nicer, but yeah, they didn't have that, so I kind of put that on pause. So then I wanted a mini. I'm very much a mini bag kind of girl. I do like small bags. I don't like to carry a lot of stuff, and I feel like when it comes to the Chanel sizing of the bags, I just feel like large, medium are way too big. So I feel like small is perfect for me, a small or a mini. But yeah, I decided to get, I don't know, try and have a guess what you think I got at. It is a mini, but do you think it's a colour bag? Do you think it's the plain black? Leave a comment below. Leave a comment below and what you think I got. But yeah, I didn't get it installed, by the way. So if you watched my previous video, I spoke to a sales associate in Harrods at Chanel who basically told me that this particular bag I wanted, I had to be put on a wait list because it's quite popular and they don't get many in. So I think I've given it away as to which one I got. So I thought I'd be waiting ages, and then I finally got a call saying we actually have one available. This was like a week before my birthday. I got the call. Literally a week before my birthday, so many blessings happened. Like I got a new job, like literally so many things have happened in a short space of time that I'm so excited about. But yeah, this was basically one of the many things that happened, like before my birthday, was getting a call for this bag. So yeah, I didn't get it installed. It was sent to me, in the post, so I didn't get the install experience, but which is fine. I've got this bag that I wanted. So yeah, it came in this lovely box. I have already unboxed it. If you follow me on Instagram, you would have seen my little reel that of me unboxing the bag. Literally, I haven't even touched or used this bag. Like I literally waited up, like I've only used it last week, and I've had the bag for ages, literally for ages. But yeah, let me stop rambling. So yeah, came in this lovely box. I feel like the suspense is on. Yes, I got this lovely black Chanel mini with silver hardware. At first I really wanted gold hardware. Then I was like, do you know what, I'm actually not fussed about what color hardware I got, but I feel like this is preference, because I know people love gold hardware, but I feel like it looks so classic, so chic. Like it's stunning with the silver hardware. I love it. I still got the sticker on it, so we can do this together. We can peel off the sticker together. love her. Like, I'm a mini bag girl, and I feel like this is so beautiful in the beautiful silver hardware. I've kind of like, I shouldn't have put makeup on it, but the first time I used it, I took my powder with it. So yeah, this is beautiful. Like, I'm trying to be so careful with her. So this is the new bag. So with the new ones, you get the serial number. You no longer get the card. So there's a serial number inside here. So yeah, it's got a little zip at the back with the long chain. I've been wearing it with a shorter chain, so I literally just tied it in here, and I used like the Chanel ribbon that came in the box to make the strap shorter. I really love this because you can wear this crossbody comfortably. I feel like with the larger sizes, you can't really wear it crossbody comfortably, because I feel like it really kind of stops under like your, well, for me it kind of stops right underneath there, and it's not very comfortable. I don't want to squash the bag. I got this after that price increase. Chanel are moving a bit wild with the price increases, but I thought, you know what, I have the money now. I want to get this now before I go on to buying bigger and more expensive things, and I'm not willing to pay no other further price increase, especially for a mini. I don't know, I just feel like Chanel are going a bit too crazy. So yeah, I just thought, let me just grab this now before you hear another price increase. But yeah, I super love her. I think she's so cute. I can just see her going with so many things. And I was initially going to get a different color, but I feel like black is a staple piece, and I feel like black should be the first one you get, kind of thing, and maybe then go on to branch into different colors. But for me, this is absolutely perfect. Like, I love her. I love her. She's perfect for me. My little baby. My little baby. Up next was my birthday shoes, in fact. To be honest, I had no plans of buying a pair of shoes, but my dress that I wore for my birthday, which I'll post a picture here, I needed shoes, and I felt like the shoes I had didn't go with them, so I needed a new pair of shoes, and these were on my wish list for summer. I thought I'll be wearing them on holiday in a different country, but yeah, I've been stuck here in London, going nowhere, but I digress. I still have them, and I think these are a beautiful shoe. So yes, let me show you again. I don't know, you want to see dust bags? Bottega dust bags, though, I do have to say, are quality. They are quality. They are nice and thick, and they're just great quality. But yes, the shoes I got, I feel like you've seen these everywhere. The raffia sandal. Like, this, at first when I saw them, I was like, it's kind of pointless, you're not going to see the feature, but you really do. They're really stunning. Like, they are gorgeous. Like, I got them in the cream color. I'm not sure, I think they do come in different colors. All these items, by the way, I purchased from Harrods. I'm very much a Harrods girl. I love Harrods. I love collecting points. This is not me selling it, but I just feel like I like getting something in return when I buy stuff. If you know me and you've been on my channel, you know that spending money when it comes to expensive things is very hard for me, because I like to get discount, and I don't know, I just don't like to part with my money sometimes. But I had quite a few points on my Harrods card, so I was able to get, I think I got like £40 off when I purchased these. And I love getting something out of a brand. Like, I feel like it's very nice when you're rewarded with stuff. And I missed out on my 10% week, which was so annoying, because I feel like they gave it to me the week before my birthday with Harrods. But yeah, what my aim of what everything, all my rambling I was saying is, get a Harrods card. If you're buying a luxury brand, get a Harrods card, go to Harrods, and get those points. Like, especially if you're someone who spends a lot of money, you can, with anything in Harrods have everything. They have food, they have restaurants, perfume, like, it doesn't even have to be expensive. So yeah, get a Harrods card, collect them points, and get money off your next purchase, because that's what I did. But yeah, back to the shoes. These shoes are so lovely. One thing I love about Bottega is you've got these little padded things here, so I feel like they're so comfortable to walk in. The heel height is just, I think it's just perfect. Like, they're not too high and they're not too short. They're not too kitten is that even a word? Kitten heelish or whatever. And this raffia design is so good. And one thing I thought it was gonna like rub on my foot and cause a bit like, I don't know, make it uncomfortable, but nothing. Like, Bottega can't go wrong. They literally cannot go wrong. But I feel like I need to, no, that after this shoot, no more Bottega. No more Bottega. I think we need to move on from Bottega, because I can't keep buying trend shoes, because obviously, like, I don't feel like they have much resale value as well, so I don't want to keep on buying trend shoes. But I feel like this was a staple to add to the collection. So yeah, and I went a size up because I felt like it was just my foot, the back of my foot fitted too much. But I, like, when people say what size do you recommend, what, I always go and try shoes on, because one thing about me is I'm not spending money on designer shoes and they don't fit. So if you ask me like what size should I get, I'm always gonna say go and try them on. My foot size is different to your foot size, so please, if you're spending money on designer shoes, always buy it from somewhere where you can return them, and or at least go and try them on, because one thing you don't want to do is spend money on a shoe that doesn't even fit. But yeah, these shoes are stunning. Like, I don't know if you can see how beautiful they are in this video. Like, they're stunning. Like, I love them, literally. Definitely would recommend. Go to Harrods, get a Harrods cart, you know, collect the points and do what it do. Lastly, what I brought myself for my birthday was from Cartier. Now, if you watched my wishlist video before, I was like, I'm not going to start with Cartier, because I just feel like Cartier is just like the typical kind of like luxury brand that everyone goes for. Boy, am I eating my words. Like, so basically it was between getting Van Cleef and a Cartier. So I wanted either a Van Cleef necklace or a ring, and I was thinking to myself, what is something that I'm going to actually get a lot of wear out of, and I do like to wear rings on my finger when I get my nails done. Like, if you know me, like I used to wear this silver ring a lot, and I just thought, yeah, I want a ring. I want to treat myself to a nice ring. So I went to Cartier and I ate my words. So I'm sure you know what I got from Cartier. So yeah, this is the receipt from Cartier. Lovely, but we don't need that. I actually made an appointment to get this on my birthday, but because there was a queue, I kind of just left, and I was so hot. Oh, I didn't even see this. Okay, so this is okay, so my FaceTime was going off. I was trying to ignore it because I was thinking I don't know what I was thinking. I don't know why I was thinking you wouldn't hear it. But back to the video. So yeah, so in the box you've got this certificate with it. I don't know if I need to hide anything, I don't know, but yeah, it says this is 18 carats gold, and we certify this is authentic because we only do authentic round here. So yeah, this is authentic from Cartier. And she wrapped it up for me, even though she was like, you know what's inside it. But, you know, we still got to wrap it up. We still got to have that, you know, luxury unboxing feel. So I guess there's a little travel bag that to put the jewelry in. But yeah, let's get to... What do you think I got? Do you think I went with a typical love ring? Do you think I did just on clue? Like, what do you think? I don't know why I was so excited. Like, give you some time to guess. Okay, you got it? You think you know what I got? Okay. This box is so cute. When I was in there, I actually saw like they have like little handbags styles of this box. I didn't even know that. Like, that is so cute. But yeah, I got a love ring. I got myself a love ring. Like, isn't she gorge? Like, I really love this, and I definitely feel I would get a lot use out of it. Again, I got this from Harrods. I initially made an appointment. I would advise you to make an appointment, just so you don't have to wait around. And I got this for my, I don't know, I don't know what finger this is called, but I got it for this finger. Oh no, I'm lying actually, it's for this finger. I got it for this finger, my middle finger. Yes, I had to go back and get it because they didn't have any in my size, so they had to order it in. But yeah, I love her. I went for the thinner band because like I said, I like thinner rings, and I definitely want to get the just on clue ring because I tried it on and I want to stack it, and I think it would be nice. I didn't want the thick one because I feel like it looked nice on my finger. Again, this is preference. Everyone should get what they want and what they prefer, and I always recommend going to try things on, because I thought I would initially want the thicker one, but I feel like the thinner band makes so much sense and suits me so much more. So yeah, that is everything from my haul. I really wanted to treat myself for my birthday because, one, I deserve it. Two, I had a really tough year. I mean, I'm sure we all did, but for me personally, I had a really tough year, and I felt like I deserved all these things that I treated myself to, and God has really come through and blessed me within the last few weeks. It's actually amazing how life can turn around when you think everything is falling apart, and God's like, hold up my child, blessing after blessing after blessing. So I am really thankful that I could actually buy these things and treat myself to all these nice things, and I feel like everyone should do that when it comes to your birthday. Whatever your version of self-care is, do that for yourself. I did exactly that for my birthday, and I'm very thankful for the people in my life, especially my sisters, who actually made my day really beautiful, and the other people in my life who made it amazing. So yeah, that is everything from this haul. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please do comment, subscribe and like, and yeah, that is everything. Bye guys.